head and threw his arms around my neck. Show me how you do it, and I promise that I'll run away with you. I'll run away with you. Spinning on that dizzy edge, I kissed his face and I kissed his head, and dreamed of all the different ways I had to make him glow. Why are you so far away? He said, why won't you ever know that I'm in love with you? That I'm in love with you. You, soft and only you, lost and lonely you, strange as angels, dancing in the deepest oceans, twisting in the water. You're just like a dream. You're just like a dream. Daylight. Some call it fate, some call it love, some call it guidance from above. You are the reason we found ours, so thank you, stars. Some people think it's far away, some know it's with them every day. You are the reason we found ours, so thank you, stars. There are no winds that can blow it away on the air. When they try to blow it away is when you know it will always be there. To some it's the strength to be apart, to some it's a feeling in the heart. And when you're out there on your own, it's the way back home. That can blow it away on the air. When they try to blow it away is when you know it will always be there. Some call it fate, some call it love, some call it guidance from above. So thank you, stars. So thank so wrong? How can misery feel so sweet? How can you let me watch you sleep, then break my dreams the way you do? How can I have got in so deep? Why did I fall in love with you? This is the closest thing to crazy I have ever been. Feeling 22, acting 17. This is the nearest thing to crazy I have ever known. I was never crazy on my own, and now I know that there's a link between the two. Being close to craziness and being close to you. Fall apart, then break my fall with loving lies. It's so easy to break a heart. It's so easy to close your eyes. How can you treat me like a child? Child, I yearn for you. How can anyone feel so wild? How can anyone feel so blue? This is the closest